Hey guys, it's Latoya here. Guess what we're doing today? We're gonna make chicken soup the Jamaican way. So everybody knows on a Saturday it's soup day in Jamaica. So we have all our ingredients here and we're just gonna get to it. Come on guys. So we have all our ingredients here. We have about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of chicken. You don't want to do too much. We also have some squash. I'm using squash today because I didn't have pumpkin. Usually we use pumpkin, and you use pumpkin because it's good for the flavor, and it's also just pretty much good in the soup. We have carrots, we have chocho, Americans know it as coyote squash, and we have all-purpose seasoning, salt, pepper, corn. The corn, we'll chop it up, you know, into about 4 pieces. We're gonna peel these potatoes. We have scallions here, and we also have some pimento seeds, which is great for flavor. So basically we're just gonna get started. We're gonna add all the vegetables. We're just waiting for the water to come to a boil.
All right.
So we're gonna put some little dumplings, or spinners as we call it in Jamaica, and it's made from flour and water. So the first thing you're gonna do, I like to put about 1/2 of chopped onion, just 1/2 of the onion, chop it really small, because you know it's really good for flavor and it's good for the body, a lot of antioxidants. So we're gonna go ahead, put our pumpkin in. We're gonna need the pumpkin for color of the soup also. So just gonna put it in there. Also, make sure you don't put anything until the water is completely to a boil. Okay. All the vegetables are going in. And the chicken. We have chicken breast and we have some leg quarters cut up. You can put whatever you like to put, whatever part of the chicken. And this is gonna go ahead and cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. We'll come back and check on it. Some pimento seed. Yes, the smell, the scents. The flavors coming through. Alright. So we're gonna add some corn now. Adding 3 small potatoes cut in half. Also, we're gonna add a teaspoon of garlic. Scallion and thyme. Yes, goodie. Scents a come true. The scent them a come true. All right. Dumplings. We decided to go with small dumplings instead of spinners. Grace chicken noodle. Alright, so we're gonna let everything come together now and just blend, and just all of the flavors then link, right? Alright, so I'm gonna give 10 minutes more. I'm gonna come back And I'm gonna kind of mash out some of the pumpkin to give it body and color. All right. Take out a few pieces of pumpkin. It's gonna help to give the soup some body. So we're gonna go ahead and crush it out while leaving some back whole. And also drop that in there. So you just want to take your fork and just kind of mash it as if you were mashing, you know, potatoes or anything. Put it back in. It would help to give the body and the color of the soup. Also, let's not forget the flavor. Soup coming together. And let it sit. And the squam bubble another 30 minutes. We'll check back. Look how rich and thick this is, okay? So we all ready now.